Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow Messenger to access your media on your device. Ensuring Messenger has access to your files is essential for a seamless communication experience. Let's go through the steps together. To begin, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Application Manager depending on your device. Locate Messenger from the list of apps and select it. Once you've selected Messenger, tap on Permissions. Here, you'll see the list of permissions Messenger has. Find the option for Files and Media or Storage and toggle the switch to grant Messenger access to your files. After enabling access to files, select Allow Access to Media to enable Messenger to interact with your media effectively. By following these steps, you can give Messenger the necessary permissions to access your media seamlessly. This will enhance your messaging experience and allow you to easily share media with your contacts. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in allowing Messenger to access your media on your device. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips to make the most out of your messaging app.